Hello, today we will guide you through how to upsell with Payhip. In this walkthrough, we'll set up a simple cross-sell offer so you can gently encourage customers to add a complimentary product to their purchase. Cross-selling is a powerful way to increase average order value without being pushy, and Payhip makes it quick to configure. Start by opening your Payhip dashboard. Make sure you're signed in and that you already have at least one product listed. Cross-sells work best when you can pair items that naturally go together. If possible, use a modern browser and a desktop screen so you can see the full navigation clearly. At the top of your dashboard, look for the Marketing tab. Depending on your screen size, it may appear as a label across the header or within a menu. This is where Payhip groups promotional tools like coupons, affiliates, and cross-selling features. Click Marketing to open the Marketing area. On this page, locate the Cross-selling section. Cross-selling is ideal for suggesting a related product during the buying process. Think of it as complete the set, or customers also bought, offered at the perfect moment. Next, select Add Cross-Sell. This opens the setup view where you'll define the offer. You'll choose the product you want to promote as the add-on. Click your product from the list. Pick something that complements your popular items, solves a related problem, or upgrades the customer's experience. For example, pair a workbook with a course, presets with a photo guide, or a template with a tutorial. Now enter a discount for this cross-sell. A small incentive can dramatically improve conversions because it rewards customers for saying yes in the moment. Consider a percentage like 10 to 25% or a small fixed amount depending on your pricing. Keep your margins in mind. The goal is to increase the total order value while still protecting profitability. Use clear internal naming so you can recognize this offer later if you plan to track performance. When you're happy with the pairing and the discount, click Add Cross-Sell to save it. Your offer is now ready to appear during the purchase flow, encouraging shoppers to add that extra product with one click. If you ever need to refine it, return to the Marketing area and adjust the product or discount to better fit your strategy. That's it. Your cross-sell is live. With thoughtful product pairing and a modest discount, you'll create a smooth, value-driven upsell experience that benefits both your customers and your bottom line.